Hi, in this video we'll talk about how we shortlist stocks for intraday by the end of the day after markets so that we can trade with these shortlisted stocks next day. Basically, there are just three steps that we need to follow to shortlist the stocks. Since intraday trading is all about quick momentum and very small time duration, we cannot always trade with fixed set of stocks every day. So we need to find out the list of stocks that have shown significant strength or weakness. To start with, we'll shortlist a list of stocks that are part of top gainers and losers in FNO securities. So we have to go to this NSE link. The details of this link is available in the description of this video. So we go to this link every day by evening and select what are the list of stocks that are gainers and that are losers. Just pick up only the top 5 in both the categories. I have did a data analysis for the last 10 years to find out how the stock performed the next day if we shortlist the stocks. Say suppose whatever the stocks that comes in gainers list, how it performed the next day. This is the written distribution. It shows that most of the time, whichever the stocks that comes in the gainers list today end up in losers list next day. So this table illustrates what are the percentage of returns that has occurred next day. This is a positive returns and this is a negative returns table, and this is how many times such occurrences has happened. As you can see, whatever the stocks that has closed to positive today, the next day it has shown negative momentum. So a stock which is in gainers list today could be a good candidate to short next day. So the point would be shortlist list of losers from the FNO securities list and list of gainers from the securities list, and whatever the stock that has come in the gainers list has a higher probability to end up in negative the next day. So the momentum would be largely on the downside the next day for the list of stocks that comes in the gainers today. So the next list comes is the volume gainers. So we need to find the list of stocks that has shown significant volume strength. We cannot simply pick up top volume gainers for the day and trade on it next day, because there are many simple stocks or penny stocks like Arcom, JP Associates. These stocks will always show more number of volumes and more percentage increase frequently. So we need to find out what is the average volume of each of the stock and what is the today's volume, and we have to compare it with today's volume, like what is the percentage increase that it has seen compared to today's volume. So we download this volume data from NSE site and then we have to compare it with its average volume. So in this example you could see the average volume is 2600 for this stock, and however today's volume is 6500, which is 2.5 times higher. So likewise we'll find this ratio for all the stocks and then we have to sort it in ascending order. So we have to sort it in descending order to find out what is the top 5 stocks that has come in this volume list. The next list is the volatility gainers list. Many traders tend to ignore this volatility gainers list. Most of the people are focused on price gainers and volume gainers, but they don't see this volatility gainers. Once you download the volatility files, this is how the data looks like. It will have symbol, it will have the previous day, it will have the current day, all the data will be there. You just have to check what is the percentage change compared to yesterday's value, and then we have to sort it based on this ratio. So whatever the stocks that has gained significant strength in the volatility will come on the gainer list, and whatever the stocks that has lost significantly with respect to yesterday's volatility will come on the losers list. So one of the best way is very simple. Find out what is the stocks that has that has come in the price losers list in the first step, and also if the same stocks comes in the volatility gainer list, then that gives a double confirmation, because there will always be many institutions who will take positions in these FNO stocks, and they sometimes add positions to their options or unwind their option position. Based on this addition or decrease of option volumes, there will be a change in volatility. So when a stock tanks, like if it drops significantly in a day, obviously its volatility could also increase. So a stock that comes in the price losers list, and also the same stock comes in this volatility gainer list, you can shortlist that stock and trade on it next day, because there is a higher probability that the next day there could be a significant movement in any direction in that stock. So these are the three lists of criteria that we can use. One is volume gainers, and the other one is price gainers, and the other one is volatility gainers. So all these three data sets, we need to go to the NSE site and we have to take it, and then we have to do the calculation, and then we have to shortlist the five stocks. Since this is a time consuming process, we have automated this where there will be a bot which will pick up and do all the analysis and send out in the Telegram channel, so that people can directly shortlist it and keep that in their watch list, and then they can trade it next day. So users can go to the Square of Telegram channel, and then they will get this automated alert every day at 8 o'clock in the night, which will send the list of gainers, volume gainers, price gainers, and volatility gainers. So everything will be shortlisted by the bot itself, and that will send you the alert, using which you can trade it the next day. Please check the detailed description that is available in the description of this video, where all the links are shared. You can make use of it. Thank you.